Stylish desktop set. A compact keyboard and mouse in shades of pink, purple, and white color range. With one receiver for both products. Vintage-style keyboard with typewriter-inspired keys and a rounded mouse. Keyboard dimensions. 320 by 137 by 30 mm. Mouse dimensions. 75 by 95 by 40 mm. Wireless connectivity. Equipped with a wireless 2.4 GHz connection that provides stable and uninterrupted connection. Easy setup and on/off switch on the back of the mouse. Convenient hotkeys. 12 shortcut keys to easily manage your media, shortcuts for emails, screen control, internet, and search function. Mini optical mouse. A pink mouse with 3 buttons, including an adjustable cursor sensitivity button in the middle of the mouse. DPI levels. 800, 1200, 1600, 3-level power saving mode for the mouse. System compatibility. Designed for Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. Uses one USB port for the wireless receiver. One package includes keyboard, mouse, manual. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite keyboard and mouse. It's super cute. I love the pattern and color. I'm small and the mouse and keyboard fit my hands very well. It gives more room for desks and it is still just as functional as a regular keyboard and mouse. For me, it's better for gaming because it's easier for me to reach for the keys. I needed a new USB receiver for it and the customer support of the company was very helpful. They sent a replacement free of charge.